Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the tips and tricks and all the features related to the Ultra game mode in the iQOO 9 SE device. Right now, as you can see, this is the iQOO 9 SE which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And recently some of the users, they did buy this iQOO smartphone for the first time and they were not aware of the tips and tricks and all the features which you can actually get in this Ultra game mode while gaming in the iQOO 9 SE. So that's what this video is about, where I'll try to show you exactly what are the features you can get in this smartphone. And please make sure to join the Telegram group for the iQOO 9 SE, and this is the profile picture for the iQOO 9 SE device. As you can see, there I did post all the links about the cases and the tempered glass screen guards, what you can actually get for the iQOO 9 SE device. So make sure to use that link, and all the links will be already in the description below. If you cannot find that link, try to type in the Telegram search bar iQOO 9 SE. You can actually get that, all the links available. So right now, as soon as you start opening the games, before that, I'll try to explain you a few things. So the first thing what you need to do is that try to open the Ultra game mode and try to check two options every time. First is game frame interpolation and second is 4D vibrations. Like for example, all the games you have installed in your device, right? Now you should know which games actually supports the 4D vibration and which game supports the game frame interpolation. So game frame interpolation is the most important thing, so which is really very useful in some of the games. So yes friends, actually it's kind of working pretty good. For example, this can actually boost the FPS from 60 to 90 FPS while gaming. That's very good useful feature. Even though the games are not supported inbuilt 90 FPS, but still you can use this game frame interpolation to boost the frame rates. That works fantastic. But only thing is that right now the Battlegrounds mobile game is not optimized that well, so you won't be able to play very smooth. But Genshin Impact, I played it and I tried it. It was really amazing to play. So try to find what are the games are supported. Next thing, 4D vibrations also. You can see right now these are the games which are supported with the 4D vibrations. There are so many games are available right now. Whatever you install, if they are supported, they'll try to show here. So now let me open the Battlegrounds mobile game, because this is the most requested video on the Battlegrounds mobile game. So as soon as you open the game, you will get this interface as well. So where you will get first option is regarding the game duration, and next is battery remaining, how much battery is remaining, and you can get the CPU clock speeds, gigahertz, and you can change the monster as well. From the balanced mode to monster mode, you can change that. As you can see friends, how it's kind of changing in the colors. So next, apart from that, we do get the option of enabling the 4D vibration option. You can enable the 4D vibration, and once you enable, you can actually select what are the points you want, which area you want that 4D vibration to support. That works really fantastic. And next is Esports Mode. Esports Mode is really helpful in terms of gaming, so that's also pretty good. And voice changer is also available right now. There are different voice changers available in the iQOO 9 SE device. And next is game frame interpolation. As I said, right now the Battlegrounds mobile game is showing only 60 FPS, right? There is no 90 FPS. Okay, now try to observe. I'll try to enable this game frame interpolation, and you're getting 90 Hz. Right now, you change it to 90 Hz. You can clearly see that means it's kind of boosting up to the frame rates to 90. And next is background calls. Background calls is not working sometimes in the iQOO 9 SE. There might be some kind of issues. Maybe with the software update they might fix it. I mean, reject calls, these are not working sometimes. And next is brightness lock option is there, screenshot, record screen, and display enhancement. This is another feature where you can actually slightly enhance the colors. It looks a little bit kind of dull, now slightly enhanced. As you can see, little bit, not much, little bit is happening. So overall, while gaming, these are the few things you should know about the iQOO 9 SE device in terms of the gaming features, what it does include. You can clearly see friends. And overall game frame interpolation, don't try to use it now, because that might definitely cause some delay in the gyroscope sensor and everything. That's something to know. And next, there's so many options are available right now. If you want, you can click those, drag and drop. So these are a few things you should know about this iQOO 9 SE device regarding the games. So there is no real-time FPS meter. So there is no real-time FPS meter. That's only one drawback at this moment, unfortunately. I'm not sure when the real-time FPS will be enabled in the iQOO 9 SE device. Real-time FPS statistics, till now it was not enabled properly. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, straight of more updates, and until then, bye. Don't forget to join the Telegram group for the iQOO 9 SE to get latest updates and information about this device. Until then, signing off. Bye.